Alright guys, for you those who don't know, have never seen my pickup, yeah, it's a mess right now. Keston's been using it as a scrapyard. Yeah, make it blend in with its natural habitat. So, anyways, this is it. She's like a mint green color. Looks freaking beautiful here, guys. Let's see here. And so, we got the whole front end is looking decent, and then I got to replace headlight bezels and grill and stuff like that. That's not anything special though. Everything else is pretty good. And then coming up to here, nasty. And then I'm just putting a whole new bed on this thing, because yeah, it's done. But yeah, like I said, I got custom exhaust. It looks pretty dang good. Oh, and then we got a custom interior here. We got a grenade handle for a shifter. We got the water temp gauge. That thing is custom, by the way, if you guys didn't know that. And we got all this stuff. Oh, yep, here it is, Keston. Valve covers right here.
Yep, I saw them over there.
So we need to grab those actually. And yeah, ain't nothing to her but the dir. Isn't that right, Keston?
Hard.
Morgan. Anyways, we will see you guys at the shop. Well guys, we have made it back to the shop. We are just now getting ready to pull this cover off the motor. We got both heads on. We got the water pump on. We got everything ready to rock and roll to get our valve covers on. We've got all of our lifters that have been soaking all night and all day yesterday. So they've probably been soaking for a good 24 hours now. So these should be ready to rock and roll, guys. So stay tuned, and we should be able to get this thing installed and cranked up tonight. So we are definitely excited for that, because I've been without my pickup for like a year. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. So if y'all like what you're seeing, you guys like the content, please make sure you hit that red button down there that says subscribe. It helps a lot, helps the channel out, and then, you know, helps me get my content out there better. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love each and every one of you, and see you guys in a minute.
So it's Saturday, and we've been working since about 10:30. Had some lunch in there sometime. But motor. I don't know if Joe told you or not, but we got the motor kind of put together. I'm about to put the balancer on. We need to at least drop the distributor in here where this is. Put the thermostat and thermostat housing on. Put our pulling plate on. We got some oil in it. We need to finish that. Put our fuel pump on. Put our flex plate and new clutch over there. But right now, Joel, he's under the truck changing the bell housing. What are we doing here, bud?
I work on stuff.
So if you don't know, here's the truck in all its glory. I think he showed it to you yesterday or this morning or sometime, but here it is in some good light, not under a tree in the shop. Yeah, it's pretty well shot on the back side of this bad girl. But right now we have to change the bell housing from the 302 351 bell housing to 400 and 460 bell housing. So he's gonna have to go clean that some up. The power washer. And luckily for him, I just realized we don't have any motor mounts. We need motor mounts. And
Mrs. Fredrickson.
he owes my girlfriend some gas and some Coke Zero, as she says it, because she is running to Wichita right now to pick him up at, what time is it? 5:30 at night. What a nice lady. She a keeper?
I think so.
What'd you get in your eye, bud?
I forgot my safety glasses. Always wear your safety glasses, guys.
Always, always, especially when you're under something like this. Something like this. This thing is greasy, nasty, dirty, probably sandy. I mean, look at them big old tires there. Oh. Anyway, stay tuned. We're gonna be hopefully dropping a motor in here tonight. Hopefully firing it up tonight. Fingers crossed, everything goes good. Hopefully I built a good motor. Fingers crossed, we'll see. Stay tuned.
All right, boys, literally everything is done to this motor. We are getting ready to pull it off the stand right now and drop it in the big beast over there. So, what we did while you guys were gone, obviously water pump were done, distributor was done, fuel pump was done, and I don't know what else. I think that's about it, guys. We got all that done. We're ready to rock and roll. We got the clutch to put on still, and as you can see, Keston's busy bee over here. Getting her done, boys. So, anyways, guys, stay tuned. We're gonna be dropping this in. We'll throw it on a time lapse, and you'll see it there. Hey, y'all! Welcome to Redneck Outdoors. Keston's over here, getting these bad boys set in place. Cause, guys, we didn't get a flex plate or spacing dust cover with the motor and the bell housing. Therefore, we got extra space in there, and we don't want any tolerance issues. So we measured the one that came off the original, the 351C, that is the same size. So we just took that, and then we're just gonna space these out and kind of hope for the best. Isn't that right, Gene?
Yeah. It wasn't Gene's idea.
It wasn't Gene's idea, but we're gonna figure it out. But yeah, guys, so if you guys are ever feeling rambunctious and want to get some stuff done, right here you go. Just make it happen, right, Keston? So, anyways, we will see when the motor's back in. Well, guys, bad freaking news. This is the old flywheel. Obviously, you can tell the size difference here. So, old flywheel, new flywheel, bad flywheel. You guys can see all of that. Like, look at this. This thing is stripped out. You see all those freaking bad teeth right there? Here, let's see. Camera focus. Camera focus. It ain't wanting to focus, guys. Sorry. But, anyways, there's a whole bunch of bad teeth right here. Oh, there we go. All halfway stripped off on that ring gear there. So, I talked to the guy I bought this from, and he's a good guy that I know. So, he said that, oh, I didn't know that it was stripped. So, go ahead and come on down tomorrow, and I'll get it for free. Give you all the bolts that you need for, you know, the pressure plate and for your crank. So, we're going to be getting those, and hopefully, we don't have to use those freaking washers over there and actually just use the actual plate in the meantime. So, Keston, send us home.
Like, comment, subscribe, whatever you want to do. Gene, you want to add anything?
Good night.
Good night.
Good night, yeah.